RoboMaster S1 Tutorial Firmware Update. Checking and downloading firmware. Before connecting your mobile device to the S1, please ensure your mobile device can connect to the network. Launch the RoboMaster app. The app will automatically check for new firmware updates when connected to the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, the firmware package will be downloaded automatically. If you are using a cellular data network, a prompt will pop up to alert you to any available firmware. Tap Download to enter the download page. Updating the S1. Power on the S1. Make sure the S1's battery level is above 50%, then connect it to your mobile device. After your mobile device is connected to the S1, a prompt will appear on the app alerting you to any available firmware updates. Tap Install. The app will send the firmware package to the S1 and updating will begin. Do not power off the S1 during the update. This process takes about 20 minutes. The S1 will restart automatically during the update. Please check the gimbal armor LED status during the update.
Update complete.
When the S1 says Update Complete and the armor LED blinks blue, the update is complete. You can now reconnect the S1 to your mobile device. You can also go to Settings, System, and Firmware Update menu to update the firmware.